Okay, this video is meant to show you how to put scientific notation into various types of calculators depending on which one you have. So many of you either have this calculator or borrow this one from me. This is the blue calculators that I have in my classroom. And the way that you would input scientific notation on this calculator, for example, if I wanted to put in the number this number here, 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. The way that I would do this is I would first type in the numbers left to right, 6.02. And then I would choose this second function, second, and you're looking for this EE right here, okay? So second EE, and you're going to get this E, which seems odd, but this is the easiest way to put scientific notation into your calculator. So that E represents this portion here, times 10 to the, so that's the E portion, okay? So then all you'll have to do is put in the number 23. Now, a lot of students tend to think that this is an actual calculation, and so they will want to hit enter after, as if it was calculating something. But if you hit enter, you'll see the actual value, 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd, okay? So that is the easiest way to put scientific notation into this calculator. If you wanted to put in a negative exponent, for example, 1.54 times 10 to the negative 11th, let's say, you would do the same thing, 1.54, second, EE, and then just this negative button here, negative 11, okay? You don't have to press enter. Now, if you are using a graphing calculator like this one, the idea is very similar. So with this type of a calculator, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to say 6.02, second function, and the EE is on top of the comma. EE and then 23. Again, on this calculator, if you hit enter, it's going to give you the same number. Okay? That E just means times 10 to the. Okay? And the 23 represents the exponent. The negative one is the same, 1.54 times 10 to the negative 11th. I have a couple of other ones. If you have a Casio like this one, the scientific notation button is just written as times 10 to the x here. So the way that you would do this number here, 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd, you would put in 6.02 times 10 to the exponent, and then you would just put in the 23. And again, if you hit enter, you're going to get the same number, all right? Negative is the same, 1.54 times 10 to the, use the negative button, not the minus button, negative 11. This Casio is similar, except it has an EXP button down here, and that's the exponent button you want to use. So we would do 6.02 EXP. Again, you see the E, that represents times 10 to the, and then you just put in the 23. This one does convert it to times 10 to the 23rd. The negative is the same, 1.54 EXP. Use the negative button, negative 11.